Are you dealing with erectile dysfunction, low T, or that overall drain of energy that hits harder once you cross 60? You feel like your engine is sputtering and your confidence isn't what it used to be. What if one simple, 30-second action tonight could jumpstart your body's natural energy system? An action that doesn't involve prescriptions, embarrassing pharmacy trips, or expensive supplements. I'm talking about a zero-cost, private reboot for your entire system, delivered through 2 pressure points on your feet. It sounds too simple, maybe even a little kooky, but hear me out. As a urologist, I've spent years researching what truly fixes men's sexual health issues at the root, not just patching them up. Our bodies are incredible, self-regulating machines. You just need to know which buttons to push. The secret lies in tapping into your body's ancient power source, what traditional Chinese medicine calls your kidney energy. This system governs everything that makes you feel like a strong, capable man: your testosterone, drive, stamina, and erectile function. I'll show you exactly where these 2 magical points are and why they boost blood flow, balance hormones, and enhance confidence. Stick with me until the end for the 5-minute protocol, the simple, daily habit that will make all the difference. Let's talk about the kidney powerhouse. In this context, forget the bean-shaped organs that filter your pee. That's Western medicine. In traditional Chinese medicine, the kidney is an entire energy system, the source code for your vitality. Think of it as your body's battery pack and hormone bank, storing something called Jing or Tin. Jing is your essence, the foundational substance governing growth, aging, long-term health, and reproductive power. When your Jing is strong, you feel unstoppable, with energy, drive, a clear mind, and a healthy sex life. When Jing declines due to age, stress, or overwork, you get classic aging signs: sore back, ringing ears, fatigue, and reduced libido. Stimulating the kidney meridian charges your body's battery, signaling it to conserve and cultivate this precious Jing. The kidney meridian, an energy pathway, starts deep in your foot's sole and runs up the inner leg to your core. The 2 points we focus on are the most powerful entry points on that line, reinforcing the foundation for overall health, not just treating ED. Let's zero in on the first secret weapon, Kidney 1 or Ki-1. It's known as Yongquan, the gushing spring. Think about that name, gushing spring. It's where energy gushes up from the earth, or from the bottom of your body. Ki-1 is located in the center of the sole of your foot, in the depression you feel when you curl your toes inward. It's the lowest point on the meridian, grounding your energy. This point is critical for men's health, with a 2-part job. First, it grounds the heat. In TCM, weak kidneys cause energy, or fire, to float up to the head. This leads to anxiety, high blood pressure, hot flashes, and insomnia. Poor sleep reduces testosterone production. Your T levels drop due to fractured rest. Stimulating Ki-1 essentially draws the fire down. You calm the mind, improve circulation, and create an environment for deep, restorative sleep. Second, it anchors the Jing. By stimulating this point, you're telling your body, bring the energy home. This is called anchoring the Jing. When your essence is anchored, vital energy is preserved, improving confidence and sexual stamina. This is crucial for men whose low performance is linked to stress and burnout. Deep, rejuvenating sleep is one of the most powerful natural testosterone boosters. Ki-1 unlocks that potential. The best part? It's private and free. All it takes is the right technique, which we'll cover soon. Now let's move to the second powerful point, Kidney 3 or Ki-3. This one is called Taixi, the supreme stream. If Ki-1 is the deep well, Ki-3 is the river flowing with the most potent energy. It's considered the single most important point for the kidneys. Where is it? You can find Ki-3 very easily. It's located on the inner side of your ankle, right in the soft depression midway between the prominent bony knob and the thick Achilles tendon at the back of your heel. It's a beautifully sensitive spot. Why does Supreme Stream? because Ki-3 is what's known as the Yuan-Source Point. This means it's where your most vigorous, original source Qi is concentrated. It's the ultimate access point to recharge the entire kidney system. While Ki-1 is great for grounding, Ki-3 is the primary charger. It has a dual function that directly impacts male sexual performance. It tonifies both kidney yin and kidney yang. Tonifying yin, or nourishing the substance, helps replenish the body's essential fluids and substance. If your body is feeling dry, depleted, or overheated, Ki-3 restores that vital moisture and calms internal heat. Tonifying yang, boosting the function, is the dynamic driving force. Boosting kidney yang is directly linked in TCM to strengthening the Ming Men, or the gate of vitality. This is the engine for male drive and performance. For many men experiencing ED or premature ejaculation that stems from kidney deficiency, Ki-3 is the core therapeutic target. Regular stimulation here supports hormonal balance, strengthens the lower back, which TCM links directly to the kidneys, and is even used to improve the quality and motility of sperm. This point is literally the key to unlocking that deep, internal reserve of power. Now, I know some of you are thinking, Dr. Hayes, that sounds like a lot of mystical talk about Jing and fire. Where's the science? That's a fair question, and this is where modern urology and ancient wisdom meet. We can explain the effect of Ki-1 and Ki-3 using solid Western biology. That's your body asking for help. Circulation, it can be a sign of diabetes, heart disease. First, circulation or blood flow. An erection is fundamentally a hydraulic event. It's all about efficient blood flow. When you stimulate these specific points, especially Ki-3 near the Achilles tendon, you're increasing localized nerve activity. This nerve signal triggers the release of local chemicals, which helps blood vessels dilate. Better dilation in your legs and feet translates to a cascade of improved circulation throughout the lower body, including the pelvic area and the corpus cavernosum, the erectile tissue. Better flow equals better, firmer, and longer-lasting erections, a direct result of enhanced vascular function. Second, chemistry or hormones. Acupressure is shown to influence the central nervous system, particularly the hypothalamus. This crucial area controls the pituitary gland, which is the master switch for testosterone production and the overall endocrine system. By regulating this system, and specifically by promoting the deep, restorative sleep we discussed, we naturally encourage the body to balance its hormones and reduce the impact of the stress hormone, cortisol. High cortisol is a libido killer. These points effectively help lower it, fostering a healthier hormonal environment. Third, nerves, specifically the parasympathetic system. Your body runs on two primary modes, fight or flight, known as the sympathetic mode, and rest and digest, which is the parasympathetic mode. Sexual function requires the parasympathetic mode to be dominant for optimal performance and natural response. If you're stressed, anxious, or worried about performance, you're stuck in fight or flight, hindering natural function. Acupressure on these powerful points has a profoundly calming, or sedating, effect on the nervous system, shifting your physiological state. It effectively flips the switch, getting you out of your head and into a relaxed, functional state where an erection can actually occur naturally and effortlessly. So whether you call it Jing or whether you call it nitric oxide release and parasympathetic dominance, the outcome is consistently the same: enhanced function and renewed confidence. And now for the most important part, how to actually do this at home, empowering you with practical knowledge. This is the TCM Root-Strengthening Ritual, a simple 5-minute daily commitment for vitality. Consistency and proper technique are key to achieving results. We'll use firm but gentle acupressure with just your thumbs and focused intention. Protocol Step 1. Grounding the spring. Sit comfortably and cross one foot over the opposite knee. Locate the depression in the center of the sole when you curl your toes. Apply firm pressure with your thumb or knuckle. This point can be sensitive, so start slow. Massage in a slow, deep, circular motion for 60 seconds. As you press, imagine stress draining out of your foot, reinforcing the grounding action. Protocol Step 2. Activating the stream. Find the soft spot on the inner ankle between the ankle bone and Achilles tendon. Use stacked index and middle fingertips. Apply steady, deep pressure with a gentle pumping motion or sustained hold. Press for 60 seconds. This is a vital Yuan-Source point. Synchronize with a deep belly breath. Breathe in slowly as you press. Exhale as you release. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system. The best time for this ritual is just before you go to sleep. This 5-minute fix calms your nervous system, promoting deeper, restorative sleep and testosterone production. It restores your energy system while you sleep. Do this for 5 minutes total, alternating between Ki 1 and Ki 3 on each foot every night for 30 days. You now know 2 powerful points for male vitality, Yongquan and Taixi. You're relying on your body's ability to heal, reclaiming confidence, energy, and self-mastery. This is about feeling like the strong, grounded man you are. Commit to the 5-minute protocol nightly for 30 days. I want to hear about your results. Did you sleep better, feel more confident, or notice improvements? If you have questions about this protocol or men's sexual health, drop them in the comments. Your question might be my next video topic. Hit the like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more deep dives into men's longevity. Take control of your health, guys. I'm Dr. Amelia Hayes, and I'll see you next time.